your official name and title and spell it?
All right, Stephen with a V, McGill, MC, capital G-I-L-L, Chief of the Jersey City Fire Department.
What do we got going today?
So tonight at about 8:37, we got a call for a possible building collapse with people trapped. When units arrived on the scene, they found the building behind me, which was a 4-story building under construction that collapsed, we believe, due to the wind tonight. It actually pushed into the structure next door, which is the family that called. They were able to get out safely. However, their house, their 2-story home, is actually damaged because the back of the building got pushed into that by the wind. So that their building actually shifted to the side. We're worried about the building on the other side because if there's any further collapse, it could destroy that building also. There is a school in the back, the Growing Tree School, which is also damaged. The rear end of this building actually blew about 5 to 10 feet off its foundation, hit the side of that school, crushed the back set of egress stairs to the back, so that school is going to be closed tomorrow. Right now we have about 10 residents from two homes on either side of the building that collapsed that have to be relocated. Right now we're in the process of securing all the utilities to the buildings to remove that hazard. Once that happens, the building owner is on the scene. He's dealing with a demolition crew, and they're working out arrangements to get somebody here to take this building down to remove any further hazard. Anything else?
I think we're good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Put a garage underneath, and the wind pushed it, and it just collapsed right down on that lower level.
All right, okay. Damage inside. Crack walls and everything like that. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
you're from impervious, which is